Join me as I dig deep and figure out if NUKK stock is really a good investment or just another hype train. NUKK stock has been making waves in the market lately, and for good reason. As investors, we're always on the lookout for the next big opportunity, and NUKK seems to be ticking all the right boxes. But before we dive into the analysis, it's essential to understand why this stock is relevant in today's market. The truth is, NUKK has the potential to disrupt entire industries, and that's why we should care about this investment opportunity. The current market is a challenging one, and NUKK is no exception. The stock has been experiencing high levels of volatility, making it a risky investment for some. Add to that the intense competition in the industry, and it's clear that NUKK has its work cut out. The company is facing pressure to innovate and adapt quickly, or risk being left behind. Furthermore, the recent changes in government regulations have added an extra layer of uncertainty to the mix. It's a perfect storm of challenges that's making investors nervous. As we navigate these challenges, it's crucial to remember that NUKK is not immune to market fluctuations. The company's stock price has been on a rollercoaster ride, leaving investors wondering if they should jump in or stay away. The fact is, NUKK's success is heavily dependent on its ability to execute its business plan flawlessly. Any missteps, and the stock could take a drastic hit. Moreover, the company's reliance on a few key customers raises concerns about its long-term viability. Despite these challenges, NUKK still has a lot going for it. The company has a strong track record of innovation, and its products have been gaining traction in the market. But will that be enough to overcome the hurdles it's facing? That's what we'll be exploring in the rest of this video. Let's dive deeper into the company's fundamentals and see if they support the idea that NUKK stock is a good investment. According to recent reports, the company's revenue has been growing steadily, and its profit margins are looking healthy. Moreover, NUKK has been investing heavily in research and development, which could lead to some exciting breakthroughs in the future. Industry experts are also bullish on the company's prospects, citing its strong leadership and solid business model. However, not everyone is convinced that NUKK stock is a good investment. Some analysts point to the company's high valuation as a major red flag, arguing that it's due for a correction. Others are concerned about the lack of diversification in the company's product offerings, which makes it vulnerable to market fluctuations. These are valid concerns that need to be taken into account when making a decision about investing in NUKK. So, what's the verdict? Is NUKK stock a good investment? Based on our analysis, it's clear that the company has a lot of potential, but it's not without its risks. The key to success lies in its ability to execute its business plan and adapt to changing market conditions. If NUKK can do that, then the stock could be a great addition to any portfolio. But if the company stumbles, then investors could be in for a world of hurt. It's a delicate balance, and only time will tell if NUKK can deliver on its promise. In conclusion, NUKK stock is a complex investment opportunity that requires careful consideration. While the company has a lot going for it, the challenges it's facing cannot be ignored. By weighing the pros and cons, investors can make an informed decision about whether or not to invest in NUKK. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on NUKK stock in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more insights into the world of stock investments. And if you want to learn more about stock investing, check out our video on the top 5 stocks to watch in the coming year.